Hello, my fellow crypto friends. Tonight's the night. Don't miss out on tonight's opportunity. It's Wednesday night webinar, Wednesday night cutoff night, and at iCoinPro. Go ahead and get to my website so you can get signed up as a pre-enrollee before tonight's special meeting. You're going to get an inside look at iCoinPro and the micro profit system by Justin Clark, one of the co-founders of iCoinPro. He's super established in the cryptocurrency worlds. You're going to meet him tonight, live inside look. Make sure you get signed up on my website though right away, so you're not late. It's going to start at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern time. The link will be inside your back office once you get signed up as a pre-enrollee. So don't hesitate. Get signed up. Clear your calendar. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside. Have a good night.